Hello guys, this time I'm bring out for you socks manufacturer here. Let's visit the socks factory. Hope you like this video. Knitting socks workshop. After customized yarns and colors, the knitting process begins. Your selected yarns come in the big yarn spools. A multitude of needles knit the various threads into a series of interlocking loops, linking and sewing socks department. There are two options for this step. Option 1, the machine sewing toe. Option 2, the hand link toe. Choose hand link for more comfort. Boarding workshop. Use the right pressure temperature to keep socks tidy and bright. This step keeps the socks in perfect shape. Anti-slip making production line. Use PVC or silicone to make non-slip bases in various designs, widely used in trampoline halls, children's indoor parks, etc. Package room. Custom packaging private label services for socks, including labels, tags, cartons ready for shipment. Thanks for watching.